Okay, so we are looking here at the euro versus dollar chart on a 5-minute time frame. So based on this, the price may consolidate inside the cloud, and if we will look into the say 15, so in a 15-minute there is not much bullish that we can see, as the price movement is rather in consolidation mode. So we will look at AO dollar on its 30-minute time frame. As you can see here, this is previously a resistance. Then we have another attempt to break the resistance, but it failed. And this will be the third attempt to break the resistance. But as you can see, every time it is going to break, the RSI is on a high level. Okay, so this might not be able to break at this time, and instead it might find support here within the Kumo or cloud. Okay, so nothing interesting. Another currency is the dollar versus the yen. So the dollar versus the yen, this is quite interesting because look, this is the previous support, and then the price is now at the support level. So if this will be broken, it will go down, but if this will bounce, the usual, or I mean not the usual, but the object horizontal line. So this is the what to call this one, the resistance. So if it will bounce, then it will test again the resistance at this level. Okay. That is for the 15-minute mark. Maybe we can check let's try to check the 15-minute. So in the 15-minute, it's just the same. And at this level also, it's approaching the oversold. So there is a tendency that at this point, it will hold, the support will hold, and then the price will bounce up. Again, this is our resistance level, and also this part here in the Como will also be regarded as resistance. Now, in order for us to say that this will bounce up, we should see candlestick formation that represents a bullish trend for this trend only, not for the bigger picture. Okay, just for this one, because we are anticipating that the price will, from here, the price moves down, then the price will move up, the price will move down, and then if there's a bullish candlestick formation here, the price will move up here on this level. Okay, so that's it for today.